Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making some Flamin' hot Cheeto chicken wings. We have all our ingredients here, very simple. We just have garlic powder, complete seasoning, and Lowry seasoned salt. And we also have hot sauce. We have our Flamin' hot Cheetos and our chicken wings. Before we get into this video, guys, don't forget to hit that like button, leave me a comment, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell so every time I post a video, you guys will be notified. Now let's get into this video. Okay, we're going to start seasoning our chicken. We're going to start with the complete seasoning first. Add our seasoned salt. And our garlic powder. I'm going to mix this up really good. Now that I have the wings all seasoned, we're going to push this to the side and we're going to crush up the hot Cheetos. Okay, now we're going to crush the hot Cheetos. Go ahead and open them and pour it in the blender. Don't pour all of it. Pour a little at a time. That's enough. Put the top on. I misplaced my little top piece, so we're going to hold it with our hand. We're going to cover it with our hand. Go ahead. Okay, go ahead and pour it in a bowl and then put some more in. This is what it's looking like already. We're going to get ready and fry the chicken. We're going to just fry the chicken without any coating because we're going to put the chicken in the oven once it fries for about 5 to 7 minutes. We're not going to let it get completely done. We're going to fry the wings and then we're going to coat them in hot sauce and hot Cheetos. And then we're going to let them bake in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes. So we're going to start dropping the chicken. I have a really big deep fryer, so I can drop about 15 pieces at a time. Alright, we're going to let these fry for about 5 minutes and then we'll be back. Our first batch of wings are fried. We're going to go ahead and put the other wings in. And guys, don't forget to preheat your oven to 350. Okay, the chicken is done. We're gonna go ahead and start dipping them in the hot sauce and the hot Cheetos, and then we're gonna bake them off. And guys, I let them cook a little longer, the last batch, so I'm not gonna keep them in the oven for like 15 minutes, maybe 10 minutes. I'm gonna coat them in the hot Cheetos. It looks like I need to re-dip that one, but it's okay. Hot sauce. Dip hot Cheetos. It looks good already, guys. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and finish these up. Then I'll be back once they're complete and ready to go in the oven. Okay, I have them all coated now. We're going to go ahead and put them in the oven for about 10 minutes. And we'll be back with the finished product. This is what it looks like coming out the oven. It looks good, guys, for my first try. I can't wait to try it. We're going to plate these bad boys up. This is the final look, guys. I can't wait to dig in. They look so good. But thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think of my wings, guys. Subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell so every time I post a video, you guys will be notified. Thank you. Until next time.